welcome back to Food Prep Guide. Today is just a really quick announcement video. If you are friends of Food Prep Guide, you've been here with us for a while, you know that we love canning. It's one of our favorite methods of food preservation, and for a while now we have been working on putting together an online self-paced canning class to teach safe canning practices, and as of today it is now available. I'll drop a link in the description box below where you can check it out. I'll also plop it up on the screen at the end of this video. But if you are brand new to canning and you would really benefit from some visual instruction that you can trust, I highly recommend this class. This class was born out of seeing so many new people turning to online platforms like YouTube and social media to learn how to can, which is fantastic. But there is also a lot of misinformation about canning online, a lot of conflicting information, and unfortunately a lot of downright unsafe information out there. So we wanted to put together a class for y'all that you can trust that the information is safe, that you are learning how to can the safest way possible, and eliminating any type of worries that you might have. If you are someone who has been canning for a while and maybe you have only learned so far on social media and you're just not confident yet, this is an excellent way to grow some confidence in your canning skills so you can really pump out some food to line those shelves. Another thing I wanted to mention is, well, the three main forms of canning that we will be teaching in the class is water bath canning, steam canning, and pressure canning. Now, we do have written lessons on pressure canning with a traditional stovetop pressure canner, but we don't have visual instruction for that because I personally here in my home have a glass stovetop and I am very concerned about the weight of a heavy loaded pressure canner on that. If you are someone who has a glass stovetop as well and that has kept you from pressure canning, I highly recommend picking up one of these electric countertop canners. We do have visual step-by-step instruction of using this inside the course. And if a glass stovetop has kept you from canning, this is a way that you can still get your canning done, and we will show you how to use it. All of the lessons are a combination of text-based lessons, but they all include visual instruction as well. We have a troubleshooting module where we talk about frequently asked questions and what to do if this happens, explain why this might happen and what you can do about it next time, what to do with your jars after canning, and of course we absolutely start out covering the basics, the science of safe canning. One quick thing that I just want to note is that from now through Thursday, so you have 5 days, we're throwing in a bonus printable conversion chart of fresh to canned yields. So over the years, I have just been taking notes of like how many tomatoes does it take to fill up a pint jar? How many green beans do I need to fill up a quart jar? And so on and so forth. Potatoes, all of those things. And I have just basically organized those notes into a handy little chart for you where you can kind of estimate how much of a certain produce item that you're going to need to meet your canning goals. Let's say you want 20 quarts of potatoes on your shelf. Well, how many potatoes do you need to fill up 20 quarts? So that canning chart is going to be in the class as a bonus for free when you sign up and enroll before Thursday. So you have 5 days to go ahead and get that printable as well. And as always here at Food Prep Guide, whenever we launch a new resource, we launch it at its lowest price ever. So if you are interested at all, now's the time to enroll and save some money. Okay, we'll see y'all next time. Bye.